Whenever you put on an object on a board, objects go on in layers. Imagine that when you put on, imagine that when you're putting something on a board, when you're writing something on a board, you're going to put down an acetate layer, a little bit of clear plastic, and write on it. And then when you put another object on the board, it goes on another piece of clear plastic, and you write on that. So whenever you put something on a board, it goes on top of other things. So, if I was to write on the board, the writing goes on top of this. And the latest thing that I put on the board goes on top of everything else. So Taylor, I think she looks better like this. Taylor has this, you know, little bit of editing there, censorship. Mitz has that as well, because the latest thing that I've put on the board goes on the latest layer, the top layer. If I like, I can arrange this so that this layer goes backwards. I can send it backwards one, and it'll go. Oh, here we go. So Bob was the last thing that I put on the board, so it goes below Bob. Or what I can do is I can send it all the way to the back, order, send, to back, and here it is. It goes behind everything now, right? While you were away, I found a treasure box on the internet. Treasure chest. I found me a treasure chest on the internet. I found this one actually. And what I've done is I pulled the treasure chest. It doesn't bring the animation in. I pulled the treasure chest onto the page, like so. There's a problem here. Does anyone want to sort my problem out for me? It's a really easy one. You'll look really good. Go for it. What's your name?
Eden.
Okay, Eden. Sort me out. Awesome. Thank you very much. Okay, so Aiden's just sorted me out with a treasure chest that's got no purpley bits on it. Looks much better. All right, now what I'm going to do is I'm going to introduce you to another pretty advanced tool that I never really show anyone. I think you're the first class I've shown this to. Okay, up along the bar here, we have a photograph, a kind of camera icon. Click on the camera icon. It brings us up with a couple of new options here. What I'm going to do is, I don't want to capture my image to a new page, I just want it to come onto this page. And I'm going to select an area of the screen to copy. Okay, so I'm just going to copy this section here and make it into a layer. Watch this. There you go. Happy? So I've now copied just the bottom half of the image. And what I can do is I can stick that on top like so. It's pretty easy, right? Obviously I want to lock that in, but I'm going to lock it in later because I've still got bits to add. So what we're going to do now is we're going to go to Google again, and we're going to look for some dead people. Dead people, please. Bruce Willis, of course. That was a very bad one. I'm very sorry about that. He's not actually dead. If I find out he's dead later, I'll be sorry. Anyway, right, here we are. So Bruce goes in here. There we are. And let's pull out another. Let's pull out a real dead person. Dead people, please. Lincoln. Oh, sorry.
Heath Ledger.
Oh, Heath Ledger. I feel like I've missed a trick, actually. Okay, let's pull out Heath. He's definitely dead. Should pull out. Oh, I don't know. That one's for the ladies. I'm going to avoid that one. Here we go. So one of Heath. There you go, mister. Right, so Heath is dead and Bruce isn't. So we're going to put Heath here and Bruce here. And I'm going to size them so that they might fit in this section here. All right? So what I need to do now is I need to make sure that if they go in the box, they're going to end up behind the bottom half of the box. So what I need to do then is I just click on this, order, and bring that to the front. So now that's at the very front. Heath goes behind it, but unfortunately, so does Bruce. So I need to bring Bruce all the way to the front. Simple. All right, so as you know, I don't want anyone tampering with the box because they'll work out how I've done my magic trick. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to lock both of these in place. So now we can't move the box because it's one of our props, but we can move Heath and we can move Bruce. And that's how it's done. Simple.